Engine misfires can be frustrating and even dangerous, causing your vehicle to run poorly, waste fuel, and potentially damage other components. Several factors could be behind this issue, ranging from simple maintenance needs to more serious mechanical problems. Understanding the common causes of engine misfires is the first step in getting your vehicle back to peak performance. Faulty spark plugs. Worn out or dirty spark plugs can't ignite the fuel-air mixture effectively, leading to misfires. Replace your spark plugs regularly to prevent this issue. Bad ignition coils. Ignition coils are responsible for providing the spark that ignites the fuel in each cylinder. If a coil fails, the corresponding cylinder will misfire. Replacing faulty ignition coils can often solve the problem. Fuel delivery issues. Problems with fuel injectors or a clogged fuel filter can disrupt the proper flow of fuel to the engine, causing misfires. Regularly changing your fuel filter and cleaning or replacing fuel injectors can help prevent this issue. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the vacuum system can lead to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture, resulting in misfires. Inspect vacuum hoses and intake manifold gaskets for leaks and replace them as needed. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor monitors the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases and helps adjust the air-fuel mixture. A faulty sensor can cause the engine to run lean or rich, leading to misfires. Replace the oxygen sensor if it's no longer functioning properly. Low compression. Low compression in one or more cylinders can prevent the fuel-air mixture from igniting properly, resulting in misfires. A compression test can help diagnose this issue, and repairs may include replacing piston rings or valves. If your car is experiencing engine misfires, start by checking and replacing the spark plugs and ignition coils if necessary. Ensure proper fuel delivery by inspecting the fuel injectors and filter. Look for vacuum leaks and address them promptly. If the issue persists, consider consulting a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair. Don't let engine misfires disrupt your driving experience. Subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips. Share this video with friends, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently.